Hey guys, hello and welcome to Tech Guiding Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to see two hidden features which are hidden by Realme in their devices, which are restart option and slow motion video recording. So let's get straight into the video. But guys, before going into the video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about latest technology, and also check out our other videos on Realme devices. So guys, I have the Realme 2 Pro with me and I am going to see you how to make the slow motion videos in Realme 2 Pro smartphone. So I have recorded a video already on my smartphone, which you can see on your screen. Here you can see I have made one video. So I have to make this video in slow motion, so I just have to select it and go to editing option, and here you can see the speed control. Just decrease the speed on 0.25x. Here you can see I just decrease it and then play it, and as you can see the video is play on slow motion. But guys, as you know, this video is not good as the video recorded from the original slow motion, but as a feature you can look over it. And the second hidden feature is how to restart the Realme devices. So as you can see on your screen, you just have to press volume up key and the power button at a time for 7 to 8 seconds, and you will notice that your Realme device will restart. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about latest technology.